Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to cancel Amazon Prime subscription, so let's start. First let's go to Amazon Prime page and then let's go to our profile. Here in our profile, let's select account and settings. As you can see here appears the menu. Just click here on subscriptions. In my case I don't have a Prime subscription so I can see anything here. But for you will appear your subscription for Amazon Prime and will appear the option for payment method and cancel subscription. You have to cancel the subscription. You can find this information here. So subscription, select end subscription. Prime Video is also included with Amazon Prime membership to cancel an Amazon Prime membership on the Prime membership. So here you have to cancel the subscription or end the subscription option and your Amazon Prime Video will be cancelled. So guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.